versus nurture, a huge controversy.
One says it's your parents,
And one says it's a tree.
Plato says it's inside you,
Aristotle says it's through senses,
your attitude and behavior,
and even your comprehension. Nature, through learning and experiences,
You change from what you live through.
and its appearances.
Nurture, it works on what nature endows.
It's how you were raised. That's just how it goes. How you react
To what life throws,
when life gives you lemons.
that's when it shows. Was it your childhood?
Was it the dreams?
Bad or good?
They both have meaning. The science behind behavior,
And decision making
when situations are dire,
on everyday thinking. What do you want to do?
one choice or the other.
Nature is how you were born.
Nurture is your dad and your mother.
Your mom and your dad.
Proud as can be.
Nature can't do that.
It's only a tree. Nature doesn't mean trees.
It's talking about instinct.
What feels right to you.
That makes us distinct.
Which one is right?
That's for you to decide.
Will you choose instinct?
Or will you choose pride?
So, to close this all out,
We should just say,
make the right decisions.
in fact, start today.
Nature don't mean trees.
It's talking about instinct.
That's the wrong one.
Turbine. That's what you said.
Nature versus nurture. Okay, we'll do that again.
I messed up.
It's oh freaking. And then so nurture.
That's for you to decide.
Will you choose instinct? Instinct.
Maybe
Let's do it again.
English. Or will you choose your pride? Wait, from where?
Love psychology.
Wait, where?
You wanna get a phone? Your phone's out.